let's recall this. Let's recall something that we said just minutes ago. Momentum is a vector. Momentum is a vector. So therefore, it can just appear. Momentum can just appear even though it is conserved. You are at 3 stages of realization of physics. You either say, yeah, I know that, or you say, whoa, or you have no idea what I'm talking about. So you're in one of those 3. We won't do a show of hands. What we're going to do now, to maybe get us all to whoa, we're going to demonstrate it. So now is when I need someone that is a skater, about the same mass as me, or willing to have your mass revealed relative to mine. Not pregnant and does not have a heart condition, and is willing to touch hands with me. It's not that much. That's got to have it down to, oh, good. Thank you very much. A 125 student came down. What's your name? Jackson. What college are you from, Jackson?
McMurtry.
McMurtry, where they keep their self-respect in the corner of the commons. Okay, excellent. Okay, so here we go. So me and Jackson are both on a frictionless surface, basically, right? So these things are very easy to fall. And all we're going to do is push our hands against each other. And I didn't derive the equations first, but let's do this first. And then you have to stay while I derive something. You can sit up front. What is our momentum right now? 0. Now let's push, and we're going to go backwards. Ready? Go. What is our momentum right now of the system? 0. Because it's a vector. Let's do it again. Right? That was so fun. So my bearings are a little oily, or a little frictiony, because our masses are the same. All right, let's do it one more time. Our momentum right now is 0. The momentum of the system is 0. Okay, now let's push. What's the momentum of the system now? 0. But we have momentum now. Right? We created momentum, but it's still conserved because momentum is a vector. Okay, now wait here. I'll post the notes. Now let's think, what if we had different mass? Let's do the math real quick. You want to do the math? No, you don't want to do the math. Okay, I'll do the math. Okay, I'm asking too much, but hang out for a second because I'm going to run back and make our weights different. Right, so here is the second person. There we go. And here, P equaled 0. And then after we push, we both move back, right, at V1. And this one, too, I guess that's me. I need to slow down. Moves back V2. So what would happen if our masses were different, or we didn't know it's just going to be 0? Well, let's see. We would start out P initial equals 0, and then we push P final equals 0. But let's write out what is P final. Let's do it with magnitudes. Right, so we're going to call my direction positive, even though I was going backwards. Okay, don't think about that. Okay, so mine is M2 V2, and then his direction was back. So I'm doing magnitude, so I'm going to put in the negative M1 V1, and that has to equal 0. So we want to ask ourselves, how fast am I going, say, because it's all about me here. I mean, that's what this whole class is all for me. Then we're going to say, let's solve for V2. V2. And you can see this comes over here, and we divide through, and we see it's basically a ratio of our weights, right? So V2 equals M1 over M2 V1. Okay? So it looked like there we went about the same speed at the very beginning. Mine is kind of frictiony. But what if we made our weights very much different? Let me get my big masses. I forgot to bring them out. Here we go. All right. Oh, this class is so dumb compared to last year. Oh, my God. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to add like 40 kilos to mine. And the question is, who's going to go faster now? Okay, here we go. One more time. One more time. All right. And now maybe you can see, here we go, push. Oh, he went faster. Why did I go slower? Because his mass is now a lot smaller than mine. Okay, totally makes sense. Thank you. Very nice. Let's hear it for someone who came. Someone who managed to come down without being too frightened of me. Okay. I had hand sanitizer, but I can't find it. Okay. Let's see. Where are my notes? I'm really tired now. Oh, damn. Okay. I'm like you guys. Damn it. Okay. Okay. So what we have now is to think about, okay, that was a case where we created some momentum. Let's get rid of that.